So what are you doing?
Well, since we're about to take off for the Bahamas, I'm checking to make sure the main bilge pump works and that the backup bilge pump works.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta reach down here and hit the switch on the main bilge. Can you hand me a flashlight?
Is it not working?
No, that's good.
I thought I heard water down there.
You did, that was me moving the pump around and pulling it out of the housing to make sure it was working.
Oh, okay.
Secondary pumps are controlled on the panel right behind you.
Uh-huh.
So if you please open that up. That one right there.
This one?
That's port. Or starboard. This one's port.
This one?
The one that says bilge pump port. The one that
Right here?
lights. Yeah, that one. Put that on, please. Go ahead and turn that off. All right, I'm going to go to the other side. I can
Okay.
do.
Open sail bag?
Yep. Now you can have it. And now I gotta climb up on the top if I can have that back. To catch that zipper and pull it the rest of the way back. Get the sail back all the way open. Release the boom tie down. Okay.
What else do you have to do?
Gotta stick my head down inside that port side engine bay and do an engine check real quick. I did the starboard side yesterday. Can you roll that up for me, please? What I need but don't have is a little rag.
I'll get it.
Clean as honey. We just changed it.
Great.
Belt's tight. No extra water in the bilge. Alright, we're looking pretty good. Pull on our zinc and put it away.
Oh, okay.
Well, brackish water is the dirtiest.
Yeah.
I think comes up smelly.
It'll be nice to get in some clear water. So we're almost ready. We will be saying goodbye to Fort Lauderdale in a couple minutes and heading towards the Bahamas. We did have a lot of fun here. But time to leave to explore the Caribbean.
I mentioned she was 20 minutes ago.
We're going to turn your headset so we're not yelling at each other. Good deal at this marina because everything is under construction. They are building all these condominiums that are, I think they start at 3.5 million. But right now there's no amenities here. There's no restaurant, there's no laundry, there's no showers, bathrooms, anything like that because everything's under construction. So it was $3.50 a foot to stay here versus $8 or $10 a foot next door down the road. So we were lucky that we got a good deal at this one. It's still, Florida's way more expensive than like Texas or New Orleans. And the only reason we stayed here so long is because my younger son was flying out to Europe. He was trying to figure out when he was flying and get ready to go. So that's why we've been here so long. Otherwise, we probably would have only been here a week. The bridge is getting ready to open. There it goes. Only one side open still. Cheese this morning for breakfast. Something quick, fast, and easy. Got my bread, cheese, butter. So I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. a slice of cheese, a couple slices of ham. So I'll make 3 of those. So I flipped it, it's looking good. Got some currant this morning. Okay, breakfast is served. Grilled cheese already. Okay, we have shut the engines off and we are sailing. I think we're going north and then cutting over to West End Settlement. There's Fort Lauderdale over there in the distance. So we are going 6.1 knots. We're sailing 6.1 knots. Our speed over ground is 7 knots. And there's 12 knots of wind. So it says we will get to the Bahamas at around 6 tonight. So that's good. You're not doing good this morning, Stripe, huh? You feeling sick? We're gonna try to do some fishing. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Oh, maybe we'll catch dinner tonight. We forgot to put our flag on this morning. We just put that on too. Once we check in, we can put the Bahamas flag up. Hey, there it goes. To the channel. It is kind of scary.
sailing vessel Makani. Over.
Connie, that's you in the breakwater?
It is. I called you on 10, but couldn't raise you.
Roger, Captain. Hello, come on in, Captain. I'm gonna put you radio on your starboard wall, Captain.
You gonna put me on the wall?
Roger, run out of big boy space.
Well, hang on a second. I think I'm gonna spin around. You're gonna spin around? Yeah, because the boards are there.
There's the customs shack right there. Customs and immigration office.
Every door here has like 1,000 stickers on it.
Huh?
Every door here has like 1,000 stickers
So
on it.
the West End settlement is known for the conch salad.
Oh, so we should try some.
Well, we should try some while we're here. Yes.
Literally.
Yeah. Are we all checked in?
We are all checked in. You can get off the boat.
Okay. Well, we got to put the flag up.
Yeah, okay, we'll put the flag up and then we'll...